Hello, my name is Edward Fabian Sanchez Garzón. I am 17 years old. I live and was born in Colombia. I live with my mother, my father, my younger brother. Present study SENA technologies in accounting and finance. I consider myself the happy person. My favorite color is blue. My favorite team is Millonarios. My favorite class is math. My favorite fruit is apple. My hobby are playing video games. My goals are study industrial engineering and help my family. I want to travel to Monaco and Argentina. Thank you very much for your attention.